Hi guys, if you are new to this channel then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Today we will study how we can download and install BlueJ, how we can compile and run Java programs in BlueJ. As you know that Java is one of the most popular programming language. It was invented by James Gosling. BlueJ is an IDE for the Java programming language developed mainly for educational purposes. Here you can write, compile and run your Java programs. It is a full integrated environment. It has many features including graphical and textual editing. It has inbuilt editor, compiler, virtual machine, debugger and interactive object creation. It is ideal for beginners and is used worldwide by millions of users. You can also use other IDEs like NetBeans, Eclipse, JDK to compile and run the Java programs. Okay, so first you can download BlueJ from its official website bluej.org. As you can see, it is supported by Oracle and recommended by James Gosling, who is the creator of Java. Check your system preferences, whether you want to download it for Windows or Mac operating system or Ubuntu or any other operating system. After downloading BlueJ, install BlueJ in your system. A shortcut has been created in your desktop. Double click the BlueJ icon to open BlueJ. As you can see, this is the user interface of BlueJ, how it looks. Here there are different options which we will discuss one by one. Now I will tell you how we can type and run program in BlueJ. How to use BlueJ. First you can create a new project. Give any name and create a new project. Also you can change the path or location if you want. After creating a project, click on new class. Give any class name and click OK. Click on create. A window will open with the project name on the title bar. Double click on the folder name to open the class. A sample structure of the class will be available on the screen. As you can see, this is a sample program which was already written. This is called window area where you will type your program. Select the sample program by using select all, Ctrl+A and delete the sample structure. After deleting, you can write your own program in the working area under the folder name. As you can see, there are other options like edit. Here you can cut, copy, paste, indent or insert. Different options are given. Similarly, in the toolbar, you can see different options. You can find next, replace, go to line, compile, and you can also use the shortcut keys. Next, you can see options. Here you can find increase font size or you can decrease your font size, reset the font size. So you can use the shortcut keys also. Let us write our first Java program in BlueJ. So first we will type the class name public class and then we will write the class name. Curly braces start, then we will type static void main. So here our main function starts. The main program starts from here. Then again in the curly braces we will type the message which we want to display on the screen. We will type system.out.println. System.out.println command is used to display the output on the screen. So in the bracket I have written hello world. So hello world will be displayed on the output screen. After writing your program, click on compile button. It will display a message class compiled, no syntax error. If there will be no error, then your program is successfully compiled. Otherwise you can find the errors and remove it and then you can compile it again. Next, I will tell you how we can execute or run our program. Select the class folder, right click on the folder icon and select void main. Click on void main string RAGS option from the drop down menu. A new window will appear showing your output. Let us write another program to display the different type of fruit names. So as you can see, first I have created a class that is fruits, public class fruits. Then we will start our main program. So first we will write static void main, and then in the main body we will type the fruit names which you want to display on the screen. So here I have written apple, guava, orange, grapes, mango. Very simple and easy program. Next program to calculate the sum of two numbers. Here I have taken three variables, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, and since we want to calculate the total, calculate the sum of two numbers, so I have taken another variable, that is sum. Then I have used the formula sum is equal to a plus b. Then we will display the value of the sum. So the value of the sum will be displayed on the screen. In the output we will get 7. I hope you like this video. Do give your valuable suggestions and write in the comment box on which topic you want us to make video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.